This brand is made in America by GE Appliances, which is majority owned by the Chinese company Haier. All of these heat pumps feature coated coils to resist corrosion, and they are backed by a very good guarantee. The Tempo series offers basic single-zone units with cooling efficiencies of up to 16 SEER, and they are available in 115-volt or 208/230-volt systems. The indoor units are whisper quiet, while the outdoor units have a sound level that is less than that of the hum from a refrigerator. The Advanced Plus series offers premium single-zone heat pumps with a cooling efficiency of up to 21.5 SEER, while the FlexFit models can serve up to 5 indoor units. The Arctic series features premium heat pumps with a 28 SEER cooling efficiency, and they can serve from 2 to 4 indoor units from a single outdoor unit. The units are only available through authorized installers in the USA and Canada. The units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.